Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to sync multiple Google Sheets into one master sheet. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I have two sheets which I need to sync it with a new Google Sheet. For this, you need to use a formula that is import range. First, we need to copy the first link which you can copy from the address bar of the Google Sheet. Then you need to go to the new one. You can select any of the cell. Just click on equal to and write the formula import range. So as you can see, once you have selected this, just use this quotation mark and paste your link which you have pasted here. Close it with quotation mark. Click on comma and here you can see it's asking for range string. So basically we have that particular range till F. As you can see in this, we have till F column. So what you need to do is you need to copy the range that is from A to F. Post that, just close that with quotation mark. Do not forget to put this quotation mark. Once this has been done, just click on enter. You see here it has started been loading. Once when you will click on that cell again, it will give an option of allow access. So basically it will need a permission. In order to connect the spreadsheet, we need to allow the access for it. Click on allow access. And as you can see, once you have clicked on that, or the first sheet has been imported here. Now the next thing, and if you wish to export the another sheet as well, what you need to do is you need to go to the next one. Again, you need to write equal import range. You need to use the same formula that you have used. Give quotation marks, select the URL for this as well. Paste it over here. Close it with quotation mark again, comma. We need to select the range since there were 5 rows there. So I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again here. Again, close this with quotation mark. Make sure you are using this quotation as it is important. Click on enter. As you see, it's again started loading. You can again click on that, and post that you have to click on allow access. As you can see, now both sheet has been exported. This way you can sync multiple sheets in one master sheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.